sometimes Queen Bee no need to say some things. Her facial expression, they actually say a lot of things. Any which way, we'll go just leave her for there. But before the break, we tell you, say, when we come back, we'll play you funny video, and we'll go enter our next discussion things. And this one, we they ask, men, why una they go buy? Or
yeah, buy and sell.
Why una they go pay for selling body person? Why? Why? We need to know.
Why una they buy swearing?
If you go market, you go pay now before you buy your goods.
The one way, why you not buy the one the now you go to chop? You buy food for national everybody go to chop.
I go just go buy white rice. I no go buy. Okay, some place now they don't sell stew. I go buy white rice, buy vegetable, buy meat.
So you won't tell us now, say they very, very okay to enter market, go buy swimming eating.
But you know this to tell you don't already talk.
No.
Now what do you just tell us?
Tell us.
Put for my hand.
See. Pando without soup. Why you be say men they actually patronize selling body person even when they know say they get better girlfriend for house where if you give them everything.
Or wife buy and keep.
Or wife. Why did
they buy and keep? Now two things where I go talk. One, it's when we know they're satisfied.
Wow.
Yes. Okay. Satisfied in the sense that sometimes we know they talk.
Okay.
Why?
Partners, we know they know they talk. For example, you know, they know they talk. Say, okay, he don't reach, or he never reach, or how he be, or you know those kind of communication, those deep communication. They know they talk. But this guy now go just feel so I don't want to talk and make it come be like, say, I be the bad husband or I be the bad boyfriend.
Okay.
You get? You go where we say they know they ask question. Just drop the salt.
Just plug the phone.
Just plug the phone and let it keep charging.
So now you bring out another topic from the response so you give. So you feel, say, one of the reasons why men they go out and because, say, he and the husband, they communicate. They only communicate about their swimming life.
I agree. You know when they grow, if they give us food, I'm not going to say, you don't belly full. You know why they ask us those questions? So that we don't go shop for neighbor.
But that's different. What if the woman, they try to say, honey,
I agree with this point where you talk amongst all. Not be say, but this one where you talk, I agree because it gets, even when they date, some girls amongst us, they're not honest. How many times you go call your guy to say, you know what, I want to swim here.
We don't do that.
You not go do it.
The same thing.
We don't do that. We're Christians.
But somebody like me, I go tell you 101%. If I feel say yes, but the guys they do me, hello, make I come. Waiting the product. I did busy. Oh, sorry, I just been want tell you see this situation. Oh, you really? Okay, come now.
No, but they do you different from Oni. The way where you enter that time, not be the right particular way.
Yes,
but why you go tell him?
You go tell him.
Why you no go talk him?
No, but now that's not why you not the relationship. So no, that's not why you marry the person.
Una go the relationship courtship before una marry.
If you not tell him,
just to say, what about some women where you believe say if I actually tell this man say come, I don't like this particular angle where you take, the man go feel say them they lose.
Now
because that's not the belief. No.
Well, sorry, because me, I know be celibate. I know, sorry, I know you be the first person. Right now, the place where you, celibate me, so you know
they know.
Yeah, but the thing be saying,
my own are just 2 months.
But the thing be saying, I don't feel anything the way we take and open door that time. So you need to open door, man, no say person enter.
Yes.
Simple.
You know be ghost. You go down enter house, we no go see
you. Because the whole essence not to feel.
Okay,
so if I don't feel, sorry, I got to tell you.
I'm sorry, we need to talk about this particular one because I know a lot of women where they actually call on radio talk say, yes, my man not they actually satisfy me. But the thing be say, I know if you tell the man because the man go see me as the way they lose. So we really need to talk about him.
This is way you talk, I don't hear him from person,
a lot.
And I also hear response, and I really accept that response that person give. The person talk say, if you know say, you know they're satisfied with the demand they do, that's sense. then take they do something. And you know, say if you tell the man like this, he go see you and say you did lose because you don't know the kind of man when you follow the so many things. When you want tell him, you go, honey, do like this.
Continue.
No, stop. You understand? Now scope, now gradual. No, now you don't do away.
I go just ask you know the belleful.
Exactly.
You know the belleful.
But you not give it to them.
For me, the person when you say call on top radio, they talk say maybe they go look and say he did lose or something. Well, all of them we don't talk. For me, I go say if you there with your partner and you tell them and he give you that kind of response, then he gets something where they behind them. Number one, if you don't already they accept them all the way, and then suddenly after a long period of time you wake up, can't say okay now that time you want to talk. You should go there because you go one that say where you go learn this new way. You say now you can't say you know they enjoy them again. That one on one side apart. Then secondly, if they tell your partner say okay honey this is the way they do I know like and he can't say then it means say una two know they the same level. For me,
they get communication gap.
So at that point, what you go do? At that point, what you go do? Because you're already married. At that point, when you tell your husband, say, honey, I'm not satisfied this way, and the man can't look you like that, what you go do?
Next time, look for another way to tell him. Or you go learn the approach, take start. Okay. Start with that approach because if you keep to the talk, sometimes the talk alone go turn him off. Thank you. So you start. When you enjoy and go continue, if you know like I'm sister,
you know, it's what you just talk now. Just be like waiting with the counselor, a marriage counselor actually come outside talk. You say, come, yes, I understand. Say some women they scared to tell the man, say, come, the way you give me, I don't like him. He say instead of you to tell the man and they feel say the man go tell you say you they sell your body or you be one kind person where they go outside. He say, Kukuma go learn now. Go learn some kind things where you need to do and give them to the man where you actually.
That's another issue. Because some men go tell you say, where
you learn this thing from?
I'm going to show you proof.
Some people go tell you say where you learn
anything where you want learn.
At the same time, you get some things where you go learn. Where some men go tell you say, abomination, look for my side, woman no suppose they try this kind of thing.
Can you? Or you feel say, or you feel they read them online and then you call the man, honey.
I get proof. Me, I get proof. I'll tell you. Sweetheart, I get proof. Anything where you want learn, go on top internet. Just write down. The computer go correct you if you do mistake. Learn them from there. Get the proof for hand because some go twist them for you. Go say, Isha go call him mother. Family meeting. She know they do it like this before. Now she don't they do it. Yes, auntie, mommy, see and watch.
But which one good? It better make I learn them. That make I go learn them. Go train on outside. Because I mean, why I go complain? Say you go learn them. In fact, I should be happy. Say at least this person gets the tendency to change.
Just be like food where they cook. It gets so many food where I no sabi cook. But the kind of person who I settle with, I understand. Say they like explore. Now adventurous eater. So I dey on top internet too for they learn food. Just so that everything go there at peace.
So another notion where people they give will be the reason why men they actually go outside, go they patronize selling body person now because say men are naturally promiscuous.
I disagree with you.
No,
I disagree with you.
Men they naturally promiscuous. I go say men they quick to they dissatisfied.
Yes, men tell her.
For me,
she's a man.
A lot of men, they like you talk. Say your husband like variety. Men no, it be like. Oh, Jesus. It be like make.
It's okay.
No.
Talk am. I give you my manhood. Just say
become a man.
It be like say make couple, man and woman, they together now, and every day, now the man they start. One day go tired to start, they go want make the woman start. Issue.
Okay, what if everything that they actually get them for house, everything? You know, but they get some men where they just want taste another soup. I don't eat ogbolo for a very long time. I want taste a good soup.
Eventually that one happen, and every day they eat this different thing, and this time you say okay now water I want go drink for outside. When they drink the water and they say you no get taste,
you go come back house. And moreover, sometimes when that thing happen, Akande village they involved. You know why Akande village? Maybe you go ask question because Akande chop chop vegetable. I won't go drink water. I don't want water. I will eat these things. Why go drink water for outside?
But even at that again, some women they actually make their husband won't go outside. Sometimes again, no be their fault. Imagine a woman will get belly. And all her hormones don't change, everything they irritate her. You know, she won't lie down for bed alone. And you get the man where the man says, need to touch somebody. They just tell you, say, okay, you get meeting around 7. I think it be like say make I go for the meeting and come
the
back.
meeting
Before
go
you know,
last.
don't go help
12
yourself,
o'clock,
come
the
back.
meeting go last.
All right. Before we actually go on top everything we will carry for body, make we just play this funny video. It is our comedy day, so we need to play the funny video when they come back.
Friday.
Chai.
Ibi wọn rí o, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Ibi wọn rí o, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Ibi wọn bá ti mọ̀, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Ibi wọn rí o, kàn kígbe mi lọ. Orí kìí fáwọn, ẹ̀dọ̀ kìí rúgbìn. Òtútù kìí mẹ́ja lálẹ́ odò. Àìkódìdí mọ̀dẹ kó kú rọ́jú. Bígi bá rorò ó ní láti bá gbógbé. Èpo rógbó òun ló ń bàṣírí orógbó. Wọ́n ránṣẹ́ padáhùn ṣe. Wọ́n bẹ̀ oníṣègùn lọ́wẹ́. Wọ́n yọ kùmọ̀ yọ kóńdó. Wọ́n fẹ́ wọlé ọlá. Wọ́n ní kàkà kékun má jèrè ká fi ṣàwádànù. Ọ̀rúnmìlà bá yarí pátá ó ránṣẹ́ pọ̀ dúdú wa. Abẹ́rẹ́ kò gbúdọ̀ kọ́ òun aṣọ. Kọ̀ǹkọ̀kan kò gbúdọ̀ kọ́ òun odò. Ẹ̀yin aláyé ẹ má ṣe kọ́ òun wa wá. Ibi wọn rí o kàn kígbe àwa lọ. Torí gbogbo wọn ló kí ó máa lólòdì kan o. Àkúnlẹ̀yàn òun làdáyébá. Ó délé ayé ó já ìtànná owó. Òwú kì í la kínú obólóko. Mo já tìyá iṣẹ́ yá mi wéréwéré. Mo já tọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ kó lè gẹ̀mí lọ́rùn. Mo já tìtànná ọ̀pẹ o. Ọ̀pẹ ní so èkùrọ́ orí àkó amóhun yè kóróró. Àkọ́kọ́ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé ọlá. Àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé àtọ́ o. Kókókó là ń gbọ́ nílé àárọ̀.
Welcome back. All right, time for interview proper. Let's forget about all those our cocos then. Time for interview proper. Pando comedian. Let's talk about you as a comedian. When you realize, say, you supposed to enter comedy.
The truth is, I realized this thing for a very long time. I didn't mix it.
Don't mix it.
No, now code mixing.
Okay, we can pardon you.
No, they make it say I like food. Like
we can pardon you.
I don't like food.
Yeah, we'll pardon you.
I don't like food. I know they shop at all. We are fasting.
Beautiful.
Pando.
Hey, don't give me line.
Go ahead.
Okay, like I did talk before them attack me. I discovered this. Most times, I day office. Make I shock you. I used to be a fund manager, and person where they manage assets for different clients. Yes, to shock you. So you see the twisting. So if I give you my money, I go have a manager. I go manager. That's how you go pay the bills. If you pay the bills, But then for office, my oga them they always say, serious. I work for where they say now where if you laugh they give you more work. It means that they work. Okay. So I look and say. This thing, the way they go, they suffer, they smile. Because I know they're free, I know if you explore. I won't talk and they look back, say, maybe they don't give me more work. So I said, okay, no problem. I launch out. And I meet one of our big LS bros, Alibaba. And he asked me one question. Very simple question. We meet him. He say, what do you want to do? Or why you want to live where you there? I just tell him, say, nah, I'm not dissatisfied with everything that they do. He said, okay. And he give me a fatherly advice. The place where they come, no, they green. You understand? I said, no problem. There's always a process. And I don't dare ready to pass through that process. You understand? So I leave. I tell them for office, I beg go. I don't tire for this thing, what they do. Make una release me.
How many years ago be this?
Funny enough, this thing last year, sometimes recently, sometimes last year, I don't get that for mine, but the fear to leave.
Fear to leave.
The fear say that on the 20th, go get a lot. Hey! I know. But this one now you they hustle for your own alert. So now two different things. If I work, I no work. 20th go reach, alert go, I go sing. I don't get alert, God win.
But why don't be so far for you since you make that decision?
So far, I dey enjoy them.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So far, I get satisfaction to do what I love. I get time to explore other things.
Yeah.
Like I can't shock you. I don't get time now to go learn makeup artist. Say everybody keep quiet.
You want to go learn how to do makeup?
I don't learn them.
You don't learn
Okay,
now?
so you... Really?
So you can see.
Okay, so tomorrow...
so that my wife,
So
they no go collect money
makeup
for
artist,
her.
actually, so if you come
Body
makeup
casual.
artist, right?
Body casual, you go need to do one with them.
Yes, body casual. You got to do body casual.
You can see the hand.
Okay, so why the name Pando? As in, you just just one.
No, that name Pando come out
Pando,
from Pando, P-A-N-D-O. That name Pando come out from secondary school, and it dey related to food things.
And you just thought you don't like food.
I don't like food before. For my mind, I don't like food. So as for secondary school, where would they go? Food prefect I be.
Oh.
No,
so
don't talk this thing.
We'll go end for that.
I don't like food.
Let's end for that food
you
prefect
don't.
because Quimby get something to tell us. Quimby, sharp.
All right, on top of body casual, the waiting I got to talk. We are funny enough. I know decide to just make video today. I just
Yes,
carry on.
I
Thank God
understand.
say we get Pando.
Hey.
Yeah.
But you know, say pounded yam also they part of the things we're gonna make you lose weight if you want lose weight.
Really?
Wow.
That's a big
Is that
lie.
a fix up there?
I don't not confused. But we gonna watch this one.
That's a big lie.
Wow.
All right, on top of body casual again today, you know, say na Quimby we sabi everything they bring this one can give you. Yes, today will be Friday. We talk about pounded yam. You know, say Nigerian food where they call pounded yam go feed actually help you make you lose weight. I know, say you go dey roll your eyes, say no, but it dey true. Why? Because yam himself, he get fiber. I say he get fiber. Fiber be say now that thing will go help your food digest on time. But some people, when they want make pounded yam, they go add gari, they go add fufu, they go say they want make it strong. But I tell you, if you actually want to make your pounded yam help you lose weight, eat them with moderation. When I say moderation, eat them small, not too much, but with enough vegetable. And when you want take vegetable soup, I beg, avoid palm oil and make you avoid plenty kind of meat we get fat for body. Avoid palm oil because inside getting own implications. Try to use periwinkle because all those things then get wetin they do for body. Pounded yam na one Nigerian food wey be say both north, east, west and south they chop am and we dey enjoy am. You fit enjoy am with okra soup, you fit enjoy am with vegetable, you fit enjoy am actually with egusi soup. And some people no know say okra soup actually na vegetable as well. But we'll go still talk about that one on top of another segment for body casual. But for today, enjoy your pounded yam, eat am with moderation, and it go dey part of that food where you go take lose weight. This one now, Quimby, we sabi everything on top of Talk today. Enjoy this one.
Wow, Quimby.
Now part of the
Thank
Nigerian
you.
food where actually they make you lose weight, but they don't tell you say make you go chop
Plenty.
full plates, eat am with plenty vegetable and many things, and avoid palm oil as much as you do.
Oh, palm oil, they make person.
Yeah, you get cholesterol because palm oil they no process am.
Yeah.
Not just fresh from the palm fruit.
Thank you so much, Quimby, for this
I
body
dey go
casual.
chop
Thank
pounded
you
yam.
so much. And thank you so much, Pando, so you come into our studio.
sister.
Thank you so much. All right, we're going to meet you on Monday. My name is Sirimen Uvi Ehigiamusoe.
Yes, my name na Betiana Unweli. Pando, you go soon find your egusi no worry.
That be my name when I enjoy when I'm weekend.
It's not just my own name, Quimby. I like
And
that.
as they always say talk, to talk
Not
not
be
be
bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
Bra!
That's so.
Bra!
The ministry will move.